Welcome to 13359 Gideon Court in Lakeside, California. This is the front view of the cul-de-sac, the location of the property. We're going to do a 360 tour through the home so you can see all the different positions by using your mouse or your touchpad. So let's go inside. The kitchen's a pretty spacious kitchen. All the appliances will convey with the house. There's tile floor in the kitchen and this space, which could be used as a dining room. It's a open concept into the living room. So let's take a look in there. So there's carpet in the living room. There are no popcorn ceilings, total bonus. You can see that it's open to the space of the kitchen, and you could use that as a dining room or a family room of some kind of space. Let's go look at the backyard. I'm going to show this to you in 3 different sections so that you can get a full view of the entire backyard. First, we have over here where you can see that there is the air conditioning system. Nice, pretty neutral stucco, well-maintained home. It has fencing around it. It's not fully fenced. Right here would need to have a gate installed. It does have all new windows, including the sliding glass door that we just came out of. This is the covered patio. Here in Lakeside, it can get warm, so it's nice to have a 100% covered patio. It is not wood, it's made out of aluminum or a composite of some sort, so we should be good when it comes to the termites, not having termites. Let me show you this last section of the yard. It does have space at the front here, you'll see, for a smaller RV parking situation. It's got all this really nice stone work done. The yard is well maintained. Okay. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, but it was added onto. The previous owner wanted a workshop. So this area here has been added with permits. Theoretically, you could put a door here, this goes to the living room, and put a closet in here and have this be a 4th bedroom. That is how it shows on the tax records as a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. This could be a home office or a she or he cave. Show you the garage. Should we turn the lights on? So 2-car garage with automatic garage door opener, lots of storage. It's a garage. Next we're going to go back through, let's see if I can catch that, the kitchen. And I'll take you through the hallway and show you the master bedroom space. It's been added onto from the original house. I'll take a quick view here. So these are the 2 additional bedrooms. And then there's a bathroom right here. I'll move this here in just a second, see if you can get a look at the bathroom. Okay. Let's see if we can get a bit of a look at the bathroom here. The furnace and the air conditioner has been updated. This house also has leased solar. Okay, and last I'll show you the master bedroom and master bath. As you can see, there is a really nice walk-in closet. Looking for the light switch. Anyhow, nook's right there. So good sized master bedroom. Again, the windows have been replaced. There are no acoustic or popcorn ceilings. Huge walk-in closet. And let's take a look at the master as best as we can. This has been updated. It's got the shower and with the bench seat in it. A lot of storage space and a little bit of a privacy toilet area. So that is 13359 Gideon Court. A little bit over 1,500 square foot home. It's on the market. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm Kim Ward, and thanks for watching.